Gentlemen, the scale of this operation is impressive. Indeed, the harvesting is very efficient. Let's see the processing and distribution. This drip system delivers water right to the roots. Impressive. And the sunflowers look very healthy. Exactly. The emitters prevent water loss. A real game changer for this soil.
The pH and nutrient levels here are perfect for sunflower growth. This data will help us optimize the soil for maximum yield.
This one looks ideal. Let's begin. Agreed. The leaf and petal first. Careful with the stem. Got it. Vial is ready. Good. Seal it for the lab. The yield projections are looking strong. Moisture levels are optimal for this stage. This confirms our irrigation adjustments were effective. The heads are heavy with seeds. It's time. Yes, but the market price is low. A few more days in the sun could help. True, but the petals are fading. All right, we harvest tomorrow. The flow is steady, screens are separating them well. Good. Check the husk output chute. It's clear, the seeds are pure. Excellent, keep monitoring for consistency. Will do. The hopper is full. Let's begin. Agreed. Monitor the pressure. It's crushing well. Oil is flowing. Yes, yield is at 42%. Optimal. Good. Check the filters next. Loading sunflower oil pallets for international shipment. Stack those containers for export! Pallet secured, moving to the ship. Welcome. This facility turns sunflowers into sustainable products at scale. The automation is impressive. What is the daily capacity? We process 200 tons of seeds daily. Excellent, very promising.
The sunflower industry has shown impressive growth globally. Acreage has expanded by 25%, with production volumes rising 30%. Market value has grown from $20 to $26 billion. This chart shows regional growth.
Time to replant the sunflower seeds for the next cycle. Yes, brother, the soil is ready. Make sure the spacing is right for good growth. Understood. This will be a strong harvest. Let's check the moisture. Ah, perfect. Just right. The pressure seems low. We need to adjust this valve. Right. Turning it clockwise should increase the flow. Good. That's optimal for the sunflowers. Perfect. Let's move to the next row. Documenting the early bloom stage, taking a photo for the records. Plants are healthy, soil moisture is good. On to the next row.
Fertilizer is evenly distributed to enhance sunflower productivity.
Let's get these tools ready for the harvest. Agreed. I'll grab the baskets. These blades look sharp. We're ready. Yes, let's begin. Pressure holding steady at 45 psi. Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal. Adjusting temp for stage 2. Temperature rising to 88 degrees. Good. Monitor for fluctuations. Gentlemen, the scale of this operation is impressive. Indeed, the harvesting is very efficient. Let's see the processing and distribution. The logistics seem well integrated. This has great potential. These weeds are persistent this season. Yes, but the sunflowers are thriving. Brothers, we must discuss sustainable strategies for our sunflowers. Organic methods are best, but yields may drop. Rotation with legumes will help the soil. Agreed. We'll balance both approaches. A wise plan. Check the safety interlocks on all valves. Confirmed. All clear. Good. Pressure is stable. Proceed to calibration. Calibrating now. Throughput is optimal. The soil is ready for planting. Yes, the sunflowers will thrive. Next season will be abundant.
Initiating seed quality scan. Analysis complete, 98.5% purity, minimal defects.
We need to adjust the schedule for peak yield. The flowers are ready. We should start tomorrow. Agreed. Let's check these plants for maturity. The seeds look perfect. We'll begin at dawn.
Sunflower seeds, 20 metric tons to Rotterdam. Certificate of origin and phytosanitary, both verified. This batch is cleared for shipment. Gentlemen, our sunflower expansion targets 120 million in revenue by year 3. What about supply chain risks? We've optimized logistics, reducing costs by 15%. Impressive. Let's discuss partnerships.
The sun is up, let's get the water flowing. Yes, the fields are ready. Check the pressure, keep it steady.
All parameters are stable. Proceed to final filtration. Confirmed. Initiating now. Flow rate is optimal. Monitor the temperature. It must stay at 220. Understood. Purity is holding at 99.8%. Brothers, look at this. The sunflowers have thrived. Indeed, the harvest is plentiful this year. We have been blessed with a good yield. It is a true gift from the land.
The harvest is plentiful today. Yes, the sun has been good to us. The basket is ready for more. Good. Keep the pace steady.
The soil is ready. We should plant the next cycle soon. Agreed. But let's wait for the rain forecast. The almanac predicts rain next week. We can start then. Good. We'll prepare the seeds.